Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix YouTube crash problem in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If you are facing YouTube every time you just open your YouTube and it goes off and turned off, you can do just long press the YouTube, click on I button, click on storage and cache, clear data. By doing this clear data, this will delete or remove all the downloads in your YouTube, so do it carefully. Then second step, click on permission and you have to give the permission like camera, microphone and notification, and that's it. So and restart your device, it will fix YouTube crash problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.